Hey everyone! If your Discord isn't connecting in Opera GX, I'll walk you through a few easy fixes you can try. Let's get into it. First, make sure your internet connection is working normally. Try opening another website to confirm your browser is online. If that works, the next step is to check if Discord is down. Go to the website discordstatus.com and see if there's an outage. If everything looks fine there, let's fix it inside Opera GX. Go to the sidebar and open Discord. If it just keeps loading, close the tab and then click the three dots at the bottom of the sidebar. Now disable Discord by toggling it off. Wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on to reload it. Still stuck? Let's try clearing cache. Click the Opera logo in the top left corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, and click Clear Data. Now reopen Discord from the sidebar. It should load normally. If not, try logging in from the main website, discord.com, just to test it. That's it. One of those steps should solve the problem. If it helped, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe.